In this video, I'll discuss the strategy you should apply to your dashboards in order to tell a successful story about your data in Domo. I'll use the Facebook Quick Start app in the Domo App Store as our example, and talk through the principles you need to apply to your dashboard strategy. The first thing you should think about before creating a dashboard is who will use it and how they will use it to help them do their job more successfully. In the case of this Facebook app or dashboard, for example, we determined ahead of time that the users will be a social marketing team and marketing executives. We determined their overarching business question ahead of time, which is, how is Facebook performing as a marketing tool? And we've shortened this to just Facebook marketing. So, how do stakeholders know where to go to answer this question intuitively? In Domo, we've designated pages, subpages, and collections within those pages as the primary way to help users find answers to their business questions. With all of these, the goal is to simplify the user's navigation to the answers they're looking for. This is why I've named this page Facebook Marketing. The user can quickly search for and find it, and before the user even opens the page, they'll have a good sense of what they're going to find when they get here. The next thing you need to anticipate is how to make browsing this dashboard an intuitive experience that helps the user get in, find out what they need, and then get out. We've done this in this dashboard by breaking out the larger business question, how is our Facebook marketing performing, into a series of more specific questions or specific use cases. For example, we want to make sure the marketing executive, our primary stakeholder, can get a daily overview of how Facebook is performing. So we've named the collection Executive Pulse, 7 metrics to watch daily. This title makes it clear what the user can get out of this collection, and we've provided 7 cards that he or she can quickly glance at that will help him or her make decisions, or at least keep abreast of issues or events that may require more attention. The cards within the collection are also ordered, categorized, and sized with a purpose. We've placed the cards that give the most pertinent or actionable information in the top left. This card is what we like to call the hero card. In some cases, the dashboard user needs to see details of the chart in order to get a clear sense of how to understand or act on that data, and that's why these cards are sized larger. In other cases, all the user mostly needs is the information in the summary number of a card, and that's why these cards over here are sized smaller and emphasize the summary number. These smaller cards provide the supporting details or elements that drive the story being told by the hero card. In addition, you'll notice that each card or chart in this collection is named in a way that makes it easy for the user to know what specific business question is being answered with this data. The choice of visualization for each of these cards is appropriate to the data and story we want to tell. For example, when I look at the post activity card, it is immediately clear to me that a relatively higher number of posts occurred on Thursday the 5th, and that the 16th showed no posts at all. As we scroll down to look at the other card collections here, you'll see a similar pattern as above. For example, a collection title that makes it clear what business question the cards will address. A hero card in the top left that provides the most pertinent or actionable information first. Card titles that make it obvious what the data visualization or card can tell them. And summary numbers that help the user to know at a glance how Facebook is performing in each area. Descriptions that define the problems each card or collection is supposed to solve, or the goals we're trying to achieve. You'll also notice that we try to keep it roughly 3 to 5 collections per page, and 3 to 6 driver cards per collection that are sized smaller than the hero card. All of these collections and cards synchronize to tell a story about Facebook marketing performance for this company. And the page, collections, and cards are prioritized and organized in a way that makes it easy for users to answer their questions quickly. And that's an overview of how to strategically design a dashboard in Domo.